Hey, this is Bradley with Blue Cord. This is part 5 of the catastrophe caused by the radiator flap getting wrapped up in the U-joint and thrashing everything inside, which destroyed the hydraulic sight tube, causing a low-pressure hydraulic leak. Also thrashed the RPM sensor, and we're not sure what else. So, oh man, that's good. I spoke with Jim Hutchins on the phone yesterday, and we had talked at length for, I don't know, about 45 minutes, probably is what that turned into. Let's talk about all kinds of stuff. But we covered some of the key points, and I guess Ventrac had reached out to him directly, asking if he was aware of the situation, which he was. Initially, right after this incident occurred, I had called several people, also called Power Pro, to let them know, which is actually where I purchased my 4520N 2 years ago. So I think they had made an inquiry to Ventrac. I think they said the regular guy's out this entire week, but Power Pro did call me back yesterday and said that Ventrac did respond to their email and that they had the authorization to replace the RPM sensor. I'm not sure what's going on. I know that Ventrac has several different departments. I'm not sure how good one department is good at communicating with the other departments, but whatever happened, I know that Ventrac reached out to Jim Hutchins directly and asked if he was going to be involved in this process of getting this up and running, which I guess they either asked him or they assumed that's where I was going to go, whatever. But I do plan on taking it down to Jim. So what we discussed yesterday is that over the next couple days, Jim is going to be getting every conceivable part that possibly might have been damaged in that situation. He's going to have everything there and ready to go. Plan is then I'll take the equipment down to his place, drop it off, and he is going to thoroughly inspect everything, to include the wiring, harnesses, etc. that could have possibly been compromised as that thing is being whipped around in there. As such, he's going to probably remove the radiator, clean that out, and just get a better look at everything that's going on in there. So Jim, once again, is going above and beyond to make sure that there's nothing wrong with this machine. And in the meantime, he said that he would certainly let me borrow a comparable demo, or if I wanted, he would let me have the 45RC for a few days while he's working on this thing. And so I would look at that as a tremendous opportunity to finally get some real one-on-one, hands-on, without any crowds, any commotion, just me, the remote, and the RC. So we'll play around with that. I'll get some really awesome video. Give me my impressions without the noise and commotion of the swap meet going on around me. Gosh, what else was I going to say? There was something. Oh, man. I'm going to make a separate video about this, sort of an announcement, as it were. I'm going to be testing another really special piece of equipment. And I'm really excited about this because I'm going to do some comparisons, and you can see, you can hear it in my voice. I am getting excited for this opportunity because I'm really curious to do some side-by-side comparisons, that with the Ventrac, and just really excited. So stay tuned for that one. But I just wanted to take this time briefly this morning, on this cool morning, by the way. It was in the low 60s this morning. What a break from the extreme heat and humidity that we've had over the past couple weeks. It's just been insane. So I really appreciate you guys keeping up with this story, this saga. Probably the next video I'm going to make on this topic will be part 6 sometime next week when I'm driving down to Jim's. Thanks so much for taking the time to join me in this episode, and we'll see you in the next one.